exposing the magic in modern mapping. Today, we dive into the world of LiDAR. LiDAR, short for light detection and ranging, is revolutionizing everything from self-driving cars to smart cities. It works by shooting out laser pulses and measuring the time it takes for them to bounce back. LiDAR sensors are full of technological oddities such as laser, a high-frequency light source, either solid state or gas, that measures distances by emitting light pulses. Scanner, a device that directs the laser beam in various directions, rotating or oscillating to create a 3D point cloud of the environment by measuring object distances. Detector, a component that receives and converts reflected light from objects into electrical signals, using either a photodiode or photomultiplier tube for analysis. Processing unit, a system that processes and converts electrical signals from the detector into usable information, utilizing a microcontroller, computer, or ASIC, which stands for Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. Think of it as a BAT's echolocation, but way cooler. This tech creates ultra-precise 3D maps of environments, making it indispensable for autonomous vehicles, city planning, and even archaeology. Imagine navigating without GPS. LiDAR is the new map maker. In security, LiDAR's real-time data processing provides unmatched accuracy, ensuring safer environments. Meanwhile, in architecture, it's redefining how we survey buildings and infrastructure, paving the way for smarter urban design. Traditional sensors like radar and infrared, yesterday's news. LiDAR offers speed, precision, and reliability like never before. So next time you marvel at a self-driving car or a smart city project, remember, it's LiDAR working behind the scenes, turning science fiction into reality. Stay tuned, hit that like button, and subscribe for more analysis on tech being reverse engineer.